Hello, I'm presenting to you my new full set NBA basketball trading cards replica. This is a craft paper which looks like very much like, oh, sorry for my English. English is not my language, so you have to forgive me. It looks like the original. It's got a same feeling and looking as the original. So the original wax paper. Here it is a craft paper. So I will do the opening. And inside you will get just as the real thing, just as it says here, 12 cards, replica cards of course, one sticker, replica 2, and one fake stick gun. You'll see right here. This is the sticker. This is a very thin sticker, it's not like the real one. The real one is just like a card. A sticker card. This is a sticker. So this is a paper sticker. You can see. You just have to peel, just like it says here. And here we are. So this is a numeric print, of course. I'm doing it myself. So what we have in here, the gum, the fake gum. So as you can see, it's printed 300 grams paper, just like the cards. So we have 12 cards, so I make a pretty good selection, I think so. And I also put the checklist. So this is kind of cool, you see. A real one will be, as you know, I guess, very, very expensive. So in this one you get the checklist, you get some very cool cards. You see, cards are printed on 300 grams cardboard paper. Oh, this is NG, you can see. So it's numeric printed. So of course you not have the quality of a real one, of course. This is not the same price, for sure. But I'm doing this myself. Herring, Larry Bird. So here we are, Mr. Barkley, Kareem. So here we are. It looks very, very cool. This is, I think, a very nice looking replica. So you see, it looks very, very much like a real one, with transparency a little bit. So here it is. You can buy this on my eBay page, khristore, links below, and on my website, khristore.com. Alright, see you guys, bye bye.